Hi, how are you? My name is Ashish Italia and I will be giving basic introduction about our topic. As you can see, the name of our topic is Jinson Environmental Disaster. Moving forward, Figure 2 shows complete life cycle of jeans and the Figure 3 shows the manufacturing process of denim. Now we will discuss some problems related to jeans manufacturing. Basically, there are main three problems that we will be addressing in our assignment. First one is water wastage throughout the manufacturing process, and second one is environment impact on environment. The last is health hazard to laborers and farmers. First problem is water wastage. Almost 20% of global wastewater is generated by textile industry. And the cotton, which is prime requirement for jeans manufacturing, requires huge amount of water. For example, it requires 24 liters of water to produce 1 kg of yield. Second one, environmental impact. The textile industry is accountable for 8 to 10% of global carbon emission, and the cotton, which is prime requirement for jeans manufacturing, is also accountable for 1% of total green emission across the globe. And the third one is health hazard that will be discussed by my other group member.
Hi, I'm Rohit Pakala, taking over from Ashish. Let's dive into the third problem, that is health hazards. During the manufacturing process of jeans, dyes are used, and these dyes contain a number of toxic chemicals. These toxic chemicals usually lead to skin and lung cancer. Now, how do these problems relate to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals? We'll be specifically looking at goal number 12 and 13. Goal number 12 is responsible consumption and production. Jeans are usually made from different materials, which makes it hard to recycle, and it can lead to the problem of landfilling. Also, the water used during the manufacturing process of jeans is very high, and farmers, while production of raw materials, use pesticides which are harmful to the environment. Goal number 13 is climate action. The fashion industry is accountable for 8 to 10% of global carbon emissions. Cloth manufacturing process generated 3% of global carbon dioxide emissions in 2011. What is the proposed solution to all these problems? It is to use organic cotton instead of traditional cotton. Organic cotton is chemical free, uses less energy and water, and does not contain pesticides.
Hello, my name is Parthgiri Rushigiri Goswami. I will be taking over presentations from here. The figure shows the comparison between organic cotton and traditional cotton. Organic cotton is better because it uses 71% less water, 62% less energy, and it also completely removes the usage of chemicals. Next slide. Here are some of the advantages of using organic cotton. First one is farmers use land for different types of crop throughout the year, which means they use the crop rotation technique, which keeps the soil fertile in the long run. If the soil is fertile, then they can produce more and more product, and it can also help them financially. And most of the work in the farm of organic cotton is manual, so that locals around can get employment. Solution to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Goal 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Here the organic cotton uses the rainwater harvesting technique, which means we basically save the irrigation water and reduce the wastewater. Second, organic cotton is recyclable, so it reduces the problem of landfilling. Third, it removes the insecticide and pesticide use, so that the overall health of farmers get improved. Next slide. Goal 13, Climate Action. During the production of organic cotton, there is significant reduction in the amount of carbon released into the air. It also reduces the amount of air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. There was also a significant decrement in the amount of greenhouse gas emission. Next slide. Approach through smart design lens. First, human desirability. Here the farmers will get more financial freedom and overall improvement in their health. Second, nature circularity. Here the fertility of soil will increase and the reduction in the water content usage. Third, technological feasibility. Using social media to create awareness about recycle, reuse and donate. And maximum usage of renewable energy source to make the fashion industry sustainable.
The business approach for smart design lens is sustainable for climate action and quality production and consumption. The denim manufacturers and cloth industries are trying to reduce environmental consequences with a sustainable business approach. The business approach for smart design lens is sustainable for climate action and quality production and consumption. The denim manufacturers and cloth industries are trying to reduce environmental consequences with a sustainable business approach. Innovations in business like waterless jeans and the growth of organic cotton culture in the market help maintain a sustainable approach. Innovations in business like waterless jeans and the growth of organic cotton culture in the market help maintain a sustainable approach. The two important ways to create the textile economy with the business approach include digital marketing. The 3D design approach on a screen is sent to the customer which only exists online. This possible step for future clothing offers an alternative to fashion and helps to reduce the waste produced by unsold textile material. The visual design mode also offers companies to produce as much as sold in the market, which leads to better consumption and production. Another way is based on the circular economy. Business contributions to support this industry ensure their products are collected and reused. The circular economy has three major principles: eliminate waste and pollution, keep material in use, and generate natural resources. Another way is based on the circular economy. Business contributions to support this industry ensure their products are collected and reused. The circular economy has three major principles: eliminate waste and pollution, keep material in use, and generate natural resources.
Reference slide 1, reference slide 2,